Anthos is our modern application platform. We start with Kubernetes and we're built from the ground up. Kubernetes, to me, is really a platform. But it's also a platform that requires other things to be successful. So if I start to think about why would I begin to look at a cloud provider for a modern application platform, it's really to remove all of the toil and the unnecessary tasks that you might be taking to lifecycle those particular projects and Kubernetes itself. We're generally focused on having a consistent way to manage and operate Kubernetes and associated projects across your on-premise environment, Google Cloud Platform, and other hyperscalers. As we go through, we start to think about Anthos. Well, if we start at the foundational layer, obviously we need a container management solution. But as we go up, we start to think about a service management layer. Then as I go up the stack, I need to think about, well, what about the developer experience? If you've got a stateless service, how can we provide you with an abstracted way of deploying that service on top of Kubernetes without actually needing to define the Kubernetes manifests themselves? Now, off to the right, we're starting to think about operational management. This is all of your really exciting stuff around logging, monitoring, ensuring that I'm gathering all of the authorization data so that I can report on that if required. Over on the left-hand side, well, this is where we start to get into a little bit more detail around configuration management and taking a really declarative approach to that. Then we also drop down into policy enforcement. And so we need to think about ways that we can implement guardrails into our system to stop things like noisy neighbors and things like that. So this gives you this great integrated, consistent experience, no matter where you place that platform.